Okay, Libra. Again, yeah, flowing out here, and definitely got a message for you. Number one, I got a few, just like the beginning of the month. It's actually a scripture, but it's everything you do, should be done in love, and we should. And if we can't do it out of love, then we shouldn't do it, because we create out of love. But your energy is definitely someone sharpening their claws. I even see you chewing gum, sharpening your claws, chewing gum, and you're confronting something. And this means that you've really got to be, yeah, peeved off, because, Libra, you're a people pleaser. You like to please others, and you like to be, yeah, you like your attention and your love, you know. But we all do, let's just say. I'm Vedic Libra. I understand exactly what you're doing today. I know that you're fed up. You've been pushed far enough. It's time to deliberate your justice and your punishment, because you're sharpening up your claws. Okay? That's what I see. So let's get your energies out of here. We're just going to get, this is more like your underlying energies, Your energies all around are going to come out with the, this is what's pushing your energies up, the very base, the root of your energies. We're going to see your chakra. Okay. Mysticism. Far out. Let me see the heart. Grief. Okay. Let me see your driving passion right now. What's driving that passion wagon? You're not letting anybody drive. Nobody's driving it. Your passion is focused in other places. You could definitely be dealing with material matters right now. Yeah. That's great. That's your opportunity. Your opportunity is for growth. Let me see what could be opposing it. Perfection. Okay. Perfectionism. Well, yeah, that's a trait too of Libra. My sister and my dad were Libras, and I loved them dearly. Oh, okay. The guiding factor, what's going to guide you, lead you, what should you do, and the outcome. For Libra, please. You're going to be grateful. And you already are, because Libra, you know how to be very grateful for your situations. You understand the logistics of your soul. Yeah. Acceptance. You accept yourself with all your flaws and everything. You're like, I'm good. That's what I felt. I just felt like, Libra being like, I'm good with myself. And there's going to be a battle. I'm bringing justice to this. And you're sharpening up your claws. There's something you want justice. You are using your own. Yeah. Let's get some illumination. Okay, let me see this mysticism. And for those that are just joining me, I do explain this is Roots with Roots Deep Oracle. I read intuitively. I read as Spirit leads. I read as the card tells me to at times. However, my cards have to come up. I do throw them. If they turn up, I take them. If they're down, I do not take them. Okay, we have the Princess of Wands with mysticism. I do want to see why that's here. That's in your physical realm. And that is, this one's learning. This one's learning her craft. Let's see. Okay. We have the Princess of Wands with the Six of Wands. The Princess of Wands is generally my party girl. And I feel like people feel, Libra, that there is an air of mysticism around you as well too. You do like to mingle with people, not necessarily meaning that you like to, you know, party, but you do like to mingle with people. You like to be around people. You tend to be a people pleaser. You get along with people very, very well. But you're sharpening those claws up because there's definitely a battle that's ensuing that you know you're going to have victory over. Because you are justice. Let's see. Let's see this grief. No, let's go ahead and see the victory with the battle. Oh, okay. You're leaving your emotions out of it. All of your emotions at this point. And seeing where some deeper ones even take you, because you're headed through those rocks right to the waters, the depths. Grief. Over love. I think you and your person are in separation. Someone may be doing some karmic time, and I don't consider it that much, really. Still think you have free will and choices that you can make. Yeah, you have a few opportunities within your heart. There's some, I feel like there's a couple ways that you can build while you're in separation with, you know, within your heart space. You've definitely been in spiritual communication about what to do because your heart is in grief. There's a situation with somebody that you definitely love, your lover, your person. And this is somebody that you've seen yourself building something with. You don't know what to do. Your heart is broken. That's why you're sharpening your nails. You're getting ready for justice. Because you've been communicating with your higher self. You've been saying prayers. Sending it up. Okay. Let's go ahead and see this despondence. I was just going to get a foundation laid, and Spirit wants to go. Show me the despondence for Libra, please. because you're having to move swiftly, okay? And to be guarded because there is some conflict. That's why you're listening to your higher self. I feel like you're conflicted inside. Yeah, again, it has a lot to do with materialism driving you too, because this is the Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords first tells me she's an opportunist. It also represents air. I don't generally give it to you, but this is definitely, you know, a Libra. She seizes up on the new opportunities that she sees around her. And that's what the Queen of Swords does. The King of Swords focuses. The Queen of Swords seizes up on. You know, like lions. The female is the huntress. Growth. No, you feel defeated. They said that goes here. Okay, I do want to see your opportunity for growth. We'll see how all this other got going in a minute. Growth. Let me see this growth, please. Again, it's like sustaining efforts to win at all costs. This is someone that has the willpower, that is moving forward towards something you're nurturing, you're protective over. It's your growth. Yeah, that's why you're sharpening those claws. Let me see this. You know what's going on. You're sharpening your claws. You've released any guards that you had up. You're putting your faith in what you know, what comes up out of your heart. That's what you're speaking. That's exactly what you're going to say. That's how you're going to speak to this. Because you're tired of the struggle. You know what to do. So why struggle? Those wands are actually easier to carry. It's what I'm hearing from Spirit than what you're making it. I feel like you're going towards somebody that you feel you have growth with and can grow with, that you see is struggling, because you've been getting downloads, maybe visions, dreams. And I feel like you do love this person. You're coming in to help them with their struggle, to communicate to them. Because that one sword is hanging over the throat area, the throat chakra. And definitely it's a heart chakra thing so far that you need to heal and deal with right now. Okay, let me see the perfection. Perfection. Well, perfect is in, like beauty, it's in the eye of the beholder. It's in the person that feels things are perfect. Perfect is generally how you like things to be. Those that live in a perfect world, you know, your world is perfect. You created it. And you want a perfect new beginning in love. And that's what I heard. I mean, it's that simple. You want a peaceful, hopeful renewal. And that's exactly what I'm getting to. This is definitely a renewal. We'll see. Yeah, because you're manifesting. You're using all your functionary tools that you know that you have in your disposal to create a new world for yourself. You have the sight. You have the gift. What did I say? You definitely would like to start over again. Harmonizing, getting to know one another, you know. A renewal. That's what you have to do. Okay, let me see the perception. This is like, okay, you do have to learn to see things differently. You have to learn to see it through the heart. Okay? There's the heart chakra. Again, you do all things out of love. And this creates and takes work. Not really, because love's easy. This is a gift you already have within you. Major signs out of here are Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Hold on. Cancer, Sagittarius. I give the Magician to all my fixed signs because it's aces, all aces. You got all 4 aces there. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're not letting this go. This is valuable. You do feel like this is a gift. This is a heart perception. Okay. Let me see gratitude. I get that completely. Gratitude, we need any more, we'll get it. Grateful for a new beginning and still having enough, you know. It's not like you're setting up a tent down by the river. But in a sense, yes. You've got what you need to start over again. Okay. Yeah. You may be dealing with an earth sign. We have the King of Pentacles on the bottom. So you have enough to start over fresh. And you may be dealing with definitely a Taurus. Okay. You couldn't sleep very well at night, I heard, until you accepted what was going on. This is what backed you up, like in the corner, per se, and lit your fuse. You decided you were getting justice and straightening things out. Okay, let's see some more. Okay, I understand that completely. You're leaving your emotions behind because you know there's a battle. You're going to have victory. You know this without a doubt. So whatever emotions that you have at this point, you're walking away from, because you know it's going to take strength for the biggest, because you're walking right toward the ocean. That's an ocean of emotions. So yeah, in a way sense, yeah, you're looking for the 9th, 10th cup, but this is telling me that you're having victory. But that's what you're doing. You're walking away from your emotions in order to fight this battle, because you know in the end the victory is going to cause an ocean of emotion for you. Because in your heart you've been holding some grief, because you and someone's in separation. This is someone that you felt in your heart you could build with, you could have a future with, possibly. And you began to receive messages from Spirit. I do want to see this. Let me see this. Show me the messages from Spirit. Spirit guides. Come on, show me the messages. That you had to love yourself first, Libra. Can't please everyone, so you got to please yourself, baby. Let me see this. I like the way it flipped. Yeah, no. Did not flip over. If I get a striking definite from Spirit, I don't take it. These cards are feeling heavy. I might have to get another deck. Yeah. In order to end a cycle, once you love yourself, because right over here, again, you definitely feel defeated. You love yourself, but you feel defeated in love. So you've turned your back on that cycle within your heart in order to open up and have a new beginning. To start over again, okay? Let me see the world. Show me the world. Yeah, we'll have to. Because you healed yourself. And now you can teach others to heal. You still have a lot of hope in your heart. And you're attached to your star. Feels like a soul bond here. Okay, let me see the Ten of Swords. You feel defeated. Your passion is deleted and depleted is what I heard. Your drive, your passion is truly deleted and completed. Oh, shoot. What I see. Yeah. Well, somebody has definitely got things. You're still balancing out things. the shadows of some karma, I feel like tries to haunt you, make you feel defeated. Yeah, because it's your fears and your doubts within you. It causes despondency within you. Uh-huh. And that's when you have to go sharpening your, there you are, Justice. That's when you have to go sharpening your claws and pulling out your swords, because it's like, Mama gonna get a brand new bag and a couple arms and legs, and yeah, I'm not taking no more. I've been pushed to my limits, because you're so lovable and peaceable when you want to be. Everybody sees you as happy-go-lucky at times, don't they? Yeah. I won't tell them your secrets. Maybe one day. Okay. Yeah, if you would just stand up for yourself, that's what you need to be doing. I mean, that's what I said. The struggle's not really a struggle. I mean, you can carry 10 wands easily. If you'd stand up for yourself, you wouldn't, you wouldn't have no problem carrying those wands. And that's what you're doing, because you want the growth. Let me see. Let me see the 7 of Wands, please, for Libra. Yeah. Because if you stand up for yourself, you'll be celebrating with your person. To have this growth, absolutely. Because you are going to definitely, no, if you see your opportunities and don't look at perfectionism so much, I know that you're creating what you want. But you still got that, yeah. So you are getting harmony. You're harmonizing with this person, coming back together with this person. As long as you let that heart again, do all things in love, and let that heart see love that transforms you, that it's a gift that we all have. So hold on to it. Because if you do, then you'll be grateful that each time, because when you do all things in love, that you always have enough to start over when you need to. You're always grounded, founded, and secure and stable. So again, we have all 4 fixed out here. We have Sagittarius out here. We have Scorpio out here. We have Taurus out here. And yeah, we have Earth. All the Earth. Cancer. Of course, you Libra. Capricorn. Air. Aquarius. All 4 fixed signs, the world. Got a lot of fixed on here. Gemini. And Sagittarius. again. Okay. Yeah. King of Pentacles on the bottom. Because Libra, you've been having some problems sleeping over a situation that caused you grief. And you got tired of it. You accepted what happened. You accepted everything. You didn't try to make excuses for it. You didn't try to, you got tired of it. You got backed into a corner. You couldn't take it anymore. And this is what you want. You want stability. You want security. You want something with a soothing nature in a relationship. And that's what you're doing. That's what you're trying to create that's perfect for you. That's on the bottom, okay? That's what I've got. Let's go ahead and didn't get a cleaner. Let's get a whisper of love. Whisper of love, please. And I've been hearing the song for you too, because I get in your energies. I miss my dad. Sometimes I'll stay in there for a couple of days because, like I said, and I lost my sister and I miss her too, and they both were Libras. And then Betty, I am Libra. And I feel my librarian coming out once in a while. Not my librarian, my librarian. I could be that too. Miracles and blessings. Everything has its gift. Choose love. You always have choices. That's what I said, did I not? Make yours with love. Everything you do in love, create in love. Make your choices out of love. Relationship patterns. It takes strength to recognize the need for change. Okay. Love who you are. And we talked about that too, and that's what you did. You are divine, delightful, and deserving of the wonderful things life has to offer. Always remember that. You don't need to people please, and you don't need to. And I know you're all not like that, but like I said, when you go sharpening your claws, I know a battle's ensuing, and I know who's going to get justice and who's going to win. I just know Libras quite well. One way or other, they will get their justice. Exact, it kind of can be revenge at times. I do love you, Libra. I'm not going to tell all your secrets. Okay. Let me, get you some. Okay, we have Q. We have Quinn, and what, Quarantino, Quinn and Tarot, whatever. Quinn and Tarot. We got Quinn and Tarot. Okay, is there Quinn Tarot out there? Because you do. Okay. L, yeah, Laura, Lainey, Lisa, Lucy, Leslie, Lizzie, Zelda, Z, Zelda, Zoran, Zola, T, Tim. I heard Tiger. You might call somebody Tiger. Yeah, I knew people named Tiger. Okay. Tiger. Terry, Thomas, Tommy. I heard Tommy Boy. Tony, yeah. And I heard Telluride. Kay, Kayla, Kenzie, Karen, Kim, Casey, Kelly, Kareem, and I heard karmic. S, Steve, Sean, Cian, wow, an S has got blocked. Oh, I know a lot of S's. Okay, C, Karen, no, that ain't Karen. Carol, Kathy, Conan, Cora, I heard Cora May, Cecilia, Corinth, X, Xavier, I don't know. I'm not going to say some of the things that are coming in my head because it's not that good, folks. So that's what I have for you, Libra. Again, yeah, if you like it this way, comment, leave me something. Well, what do you want to hear? What do you want to know about Libra? And I'll talk to you when I come again. But until then, please take care of yourself. Be safe. Be kind to one another. And know that you're always loved. Do all things through love. And learn how to receive love as well as give love. Okay, Libra? Keep things, and you usually do keep things pretty balanced out. But I'll see you when I see you. Until then, yeah, have a good day, evening, afternoon, wherever you are in your neck of the woods.